Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage orders and fulfill them in Shopify step by step. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your orders. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Orders to see all your incoming orders. Here you'll find details like order status, payment status, and fulfillment status. Step 2. Review order details. Click on an order to open it. Check the customer's information, shipping address, and payment status. If the payment is pending, make sure it's received before processing the order. If the payment is successful, you're ready to fulfill it. Step 3. Fulfill the order manually or automatically. If you're manually fulfilling orders, click Fulfill Item, enter the tracking number, if available, and select the shipping carrier. Then click Fulfill Items to update the order status. If you use automatic fulfillment, Shopify will process the order through your supplier or warehouse automatically. Ensure your fulfillment settings are configured correctly under settings greater than checkout. Step 4. Notify the customer. Once the order is fulfilled, Shopify will send an automated email to the customer with tracking details. You can also send manual updates by clicking Send Notification inside the order page. Step 5. Track and manage returns. If a customer requests a return, go to Orders. Click on the order. Select Refund or Return Item. Shopify allows you to process refunds and update the stock automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to manage and fulfill orders efficiently in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.